Hey everyone, this is Micah at MJM3DSolution's, and I'm going to show you how to put on one of my shock socks. Now this is already the point where you've taken off the shock, or maybe you have just unscrewed the lower shock mount screw and kind of just twisted it up so where you have access to the bottom side of the shock. But wherever at what point you're at right now, I'm just going to show you how an easy way to get your socks on. So first, go ahead and unscrew the spring retainer. And then kind of grab the spring and get that cap off. Now you can pull the spring off and then grab the sock. And there's a couple of different ways that you can do this, whatever may be easier for you. First of all, if you have enough room, you could easily pull it over and then kind of just pull it over the entire way, or if it's a little bit harder, you can pull it over, kind of get to where you're about a spring length, a spring width length right there. And then you can just grab it and then twist, and it will kind of just twist on. And then you can kind of just follow the other side of the sock and then pull it through. And then you'll have some extra hanging off on the ends here, and you'll just tuck them in. And then take the spring, put it right back onto the shock body. Still trying to keep that flap in there. And then pull back your spring, get the spring retainer back, and pop it on. Kind of line it up there, and then adjust the sock as needed. Sometimes you need to go back if you want it a little bit tighter, or if you're okay with it being loose. Either way, it won't really affect the way the spring compresses and releases, so you're good there. Then you can just take that spring retainer screw, pop it back in, and then screw it back on. And then with that being done, you're ready to mount the whole shock, or mount that lower mount right back there. This is my product. You can find it on MJM3DSolution's. I got a page on Facebook. I got different sizes for the Sledge and the Max right now, as well as the X Max. So you can check these out again over at MJM3DSolution's on Facebook. And that's this instructional video. Thank you.